Hello families, it's Miss Sarah. I'm going to show you how to access our Google Hangout meeting for video conferencing tomorrow. Miss Lily has sent out an invite. So the first thing you're going to do is go to google.com on your internet browser, whether it's your phone, your tablet, or your computer. Once you have logged into your Google account, you will have your child's initial in the corner with a color. After that, you will click on this button. 3 dots by 3 dots, and you will go to the calendar. Once you are in the calendar, you will see that tomorrow, Miss Lily has sent out an invite. You will click on the box and then click on Join Hangouts Meet. Up at the top, you will say Meet Google wants to use your microphone. This allows us to hear your child or you speaking, and use your camera. This allows us to see your child. Allow. Once you have allowed it, it will say let's talk. Here you will click Join Now, and then you will be inside of the Google Hangout while you wait for your child, classmates, and the teachers to join. This Google Hangout is at 10:30 tomorrow morning on Wednesday, April 15th, from 10:30 to 11 if you are able to join. Thank you.